Okay, inheriting nothing but just like we are inheriting from parent to child, just like it is parent and child relationship, or we can call as a two class relationship, and we can call multiple classes relationship between the classes. We can call as a inheritance. Inheritance topic is introduced for just like a reusing purpose and time saving purpose, and all is introduced. And also here mainly inheritance means what is the use of inheritance? Just like see, suppose I have already created my own structure of classes and that, but in same structure of classes or same structure of methods, I need to reuse in my child class as well. That time no need to create anything, means no need to create anything. Again we can take from parent to child. Thus we can use inheritance. Okay, here what are the main points are inheritance? Just like advantage means just like reusability and time consuming. Means time, say suppose I have written 100 times in main class, same 100 methods I need to return in parent also. How much time will take more than time, means same time it will take. That's why instead of that one we can use inheritance. Here just like types of inheritance, these are 5 types of inheritance. One is single, okay, multi-level, multiple, hierarchical and hybrid. But keep in mind very important question, multi-level it is possible, multiple inheritance for classes is not possible, okay, in C#. But one more way, interface is there, one more topic, just like class only black. For interface, multiple inheritance it is possible. Why it's not possible and all this? It will say suppose I have two. What is the multiple? I will explain one by one. Just okay. First, single inheritance. Here diagram you can see small. Just like is very basic. Single inheritance is nothing but just like assume that base class is a one class and derived class is a one class. Just like what are the properties having here? Methods, different methods I want to use in my chain class. How you need to use means just like how we can do inheritance means by using colon symbol. Base class to chain class. If you use colon symbol, when you use before the colon symbol, that is called child class, derived or child class. What used after colon, that's called parent or something, main class something. Okay, this is the main child, parent, child, like this different. Okay, this call we can use inheritance purpose, single colon. Okay, how it will be means just like base class, derived class. What is the main use means? Say suppose here I created one main method. Sorry, method 1 I created. Okay, in method 1 I am using some addition of two numbers, a plus b. Suppose same method I need to write in, my requirement was in one more class also. I want to do same addition of two numbers. Instead of writing here also, I can reuse this code in my child class. That purpose only we are doing inheritance. Okay, here this is a single. Okay, next. One small program here. See here I have public void. First one is a class company. Okay, this is a class company. I have one class. Under the class I have public void company name. Means I want to retrieve or print the company name. That is one method. Afterwards, one more method, company address. I have two methods in first class. Okay, next see employee. In employee class, here employee class I am inheriting from company. Okay. Next, employee having employee name and employee salary. Now finally, when I create an object for my class, what's the use of here? See, you can say simply, or we can copy paste it down. Okay, you can copy paste in the employee. Suppose I have employee class, an address, different classes I have. So suppose for normally company purpose we have created one company class. If I asked anyone company details, we can call as a company name and company address method I can call. If I want to know about company, that's the two methods. If again, when I went to a nearby company, I asked, tell me about, see suppose one day I came to interview, I asked, tell me what. First he will explain about employee and he will explain about company. That time again what he need to tell, first employee name, employee salary. Again he want to create one more method, just like company name, company address. This one more method. If I went to something, just like I want to deliver the goods or something, that time also first I want to know first goods details. If I went to goods name, goods details. Again I need to explain company. Just like company name, company address. Like this in number of times we are using same thing. Okay. This purpose means you can create this one as a parent, just like we are keeping separate. That one we are reusing. Reusing in the sense we are not creating object for this class separately. If you inheritance is suppose this one it is inherited from, it is inherited. Okay, when I create an object for this one, automatically I can by using one object I can access all methods. Okay, that's also object creation also will problem. Object creation also suppose I can create here one object, this here variable declaration, there variable declaration, and object creation is simply wasting our memory and releasing the time. This and that by using inheritance we can avoid. Same thing they have given example. Just they inheriting from company. Okay, I will explain one more one. Just keep this one. Just see examples. Next, multi-level. Multi-level means just like same thing. Just like I have base class, under the child class, again child class. Nothing but, say suppose I have class A, class B, and class C, and class D. Like this different classes. What my requirement was, here I am doing only addition of two numbers. 1 comma, here I am doing addition of 1, 2, 3. Here I am doing addition of something 4 numbers. Here I am doing addition of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. Okay, my final requirement was, say suppose this is a separate classes. Sometimes my requirement how to filter based on means I need to use all classes with one object. That time we can inheritance from this one to here to here to here. When I create an object for D, I can able to access all methods. Okay, this is a multi-level inheritance. Multi-level means what are the having parent, it is coming to child. Again, what are the child having, again it is going to sub-child. What are the child having, it is going to sub-child. Means this is the, here if we create an object, we can access all methods. Okay, next. This is the multi-level, multiple. Multiple nothing but, what is the meaning of multiple? A, B, C. This is a multiple class. D. Okay. If I inherit here, different classes multiple. What is the problem in after like this means? Here also suppose I have add method. Same method I have here also. Same method here I have. All methods will come to A. But if I create an object for D, if I want to call add method, see there, three add method. If I call add method, which class I need to do? This conflict will occur. That's why multiple inheritance is not possible. Multi-level it is possible, multiple not possible in C. Next, hierarchical. Hierarchical nothing but just like tree structure. This is a hierarchical. Okay, hierarchical nothing but this is the parent, parent to child, again child to child, like this hierarchical. Nothing but here base class, derived class we are reusing same thing. Next we can go for we'll give one example just. Okay, this one hybrid. Hybrid nothing but it is just like hierarchical only, but just like levels, just like tree, fully tree structure. A, again B, C, again D, E, again like this. A number of structures you can go step by step hierarchical level. Okay, this hierarchical inheritance. Now I will give one. Okay. See here I have three different classes. One is a class A and class B and class program. Okay, class program is my main program. Wherever I am going to talk, that's a main program. Here just see class A what I am going to do here. In class 1 I have only get data and display data, means retrieving the data and display the data is the two methods I have in main method, in A class. In B class I have one more, just like it is get project data or get project display project data, means just like get data, display data, just like get employee data, display data, and get project details or get display project details. That's the two methods. But see here I inherited. B is my child class, A is my parent class. Okay. Now see, in main program what we did, I created object for B. B nothing but it is child class. I created object for child class. Based on child class I am able to access all methods. See here get data, get display, get project display. Just keep in mind, if I created object for only A, automatically get project details and get project data means it's not possible to inherit. Why? Because I am creating means object for this class. This class. If I create an object for this class, I am not able to access what I having below with child classes. Only I can access this one. If I create an object for this one, I can access this method and this method. That's the inheritance. Means top to down is possible. Bottom to top is possible. Top to bottom is not possible. Next, one more. If I removed this problem was access modifiers. Production levels means if you give public to only you can access. Okay, that's your yesterday equation, same problem. Okay. Now I'm going to run. This time enter something names. Okay. First method was getting employee details, taking employee details. First method. That's why I enter employee details. Afterwards I enter some details. It is display employee. Afterwards second method was get project details. Project details is I given. Afterwards project details. It is separate classes, but by using one object we are able to access by using inheritance. Okay. Next. Okay, here I have different classes. One is head office, means head office I have head office address method. In branch office 1 I have branch office address 1, and branch office 2 I have branch office 2. See here it is inherited from branch office from 1 is head office, branch office 2 it is inherited from head office. Means nothing but main class was the head office, and chain classes are just like branch office 1, branch office 2. Now if I created an object for branch office 1 or branch office 2, what are the methods I can access? Head office method I can access, and which object I created, that class object methods I can call. Just I created an object for branch office 2, I am able to access head office and branch office address. Okay. Now here see one more problem. I said no, it's multi inheritance not possible, multi-level, multiple inheritance. See, I'm going to create one more class something ABC, inheriting from just like head office, comma. See, it is not at all coming first of all. Branch office. Okay, it's not at all come. Why? Because it is multiple inheritance is not possible. If you like this is accessible also. If we go inside, what's the problem in letter? Otherwise I will remove this one. I have branch office and branch office 1. Now I am creating object for ABC. Okay. Branch office. What is the meaning of this? Multiple base classes is not possible, and also inheritance and hierarchical inheritance, branch and branch office. Also, what are the problems? Is suppose sometimes here also I have same class name as a branch office address. Here also I have branch office address. Suppose if I called this branch office, I created object for my ABC class. I called just like obj1 dot branch office address. But I have in two classes I have offices, same method. But which method it's going to call? That's the conflict level. That's why it is multiple inheritance. It is not possible in system. Okay. Just like I'm removing. Next, hybrid. What is the meaning of hybrid? Just is levels of it is increased, child to child. Just see here, head office, from branch office to head office I entering, again branch office to from head office to head office, again employee I am from branch office. Now if we create object for employee, I can able to access branch office to and head office details. Okay, so suppose employee obj equal to new employee obj dot, I can able to access branch office address, head office address, name of employee, all details I am able to access. Okay, this is a hybrid inheritance. Next, okay, multi-level. See here, it is multi-level. We have separate. One is same marks. This is one class. Again practicals marks. It is inheriting from same marks. Again students, it is means inheriting from practicals marks, and this is a separate main class program. Okay. Here why we need to create like this means some students attended only sim, and some students are attended practical, some students are just like students separately. Suppose what the meaning of creating separate, we can keep all methods in one class. We can create one student class. In the student class, student details and sim marks and practicals we can keep. But what the where problem will occur means problem, not a problem, it is reusability purpose. Say suppose some faculty it is related to sim, lab means who are teaching, they are related to sim marks. Again who are teaching for lab maintenance, they are related to lab marks. And who are from students, they can take student details and marks, sim marks as well as practical marks. And HOD can access all things. They can access all, students can access all things. These are different layers we look at. If you go to project level, based on that one, we can create objects. Suppose one time I am a student. Means I can access my details, student name and all. But student details. Afterwards, I can access my practical marks. I can access my STEM marks. This one level. Suppose one guy came just like student faculty, normal class faculty. He came and he need to access only STEM marks. If we create object for STEM marks, it is STEM marks access. He can access STEM marks. Some guy came just like practicals. He want to know about practical marks. Practical marks he can access. Like this different accessibility also we can do here, and just like reusability. This is a multi-level. Multi-level nothing but here to here, here to here, here to here, we are in it. It's like the same practical to student to again something. If you have to parent to something different thing, we can differently look at it. Okay. Next, this is a simple inheritance. What we covered entirely. This is a small example. Just like I have one is the branch class, one is employee. From branch to EMBS, we are inheriting and we are able to access what we have from two tab. I created object for EMBS, able to access branch as well as two I can access. Okay, this simple. Next, okay, you have any doubt on interface? So inheritance means this is a different build. Inheritance nothing but if you want to reuse the parent class data or parent class methods in chain class by using inheritance concept, you can inherit the data from parent with child. This by using colon symbol we can inherit in, and if we created child class object means for child class we created object, you can access child class methods as well as parent class methods, as well as say suppose if the accessibility also problem if we created methods as a private in parent class or child class, it is not able to access it when we created object, as well as if we create object for child class we can access from child class methods and parent class methods, and these are the different types: single inheritance and multi-level and multiple, hybrid and hierarchical. But multiple inheritance is not possible in by using classes. By using interface it is possible. When I am going to interface level I will explain that one. Next, polymorphism. Okay, this is a polymorphism nothing but in word only you can see polymorphism. Normally this is the meaning of polymorphism is one in many forms. This is basically meaning of polymorphism is one in many forms. In one we can have many forms, just like one class I have many methods, and or one means different classes have same method. Just like two opposite. In one have different same methods, different one in one class different same methods with different n number of methods. Again different classes only one method. That's the polymorphism. Actually polymorphism having two types. One is compile time, what is runtime. That's a compile time and runtime. This we can call different names. Runtime means static. Oh, sorry, compile time means static and runtime means dynamic. I think so I mentioned something. Okay, here. Okay. You can call different names. So the three names is there for one. What I given just like static and dynamic. Okay. Static, dynamic. You can call as a again compile time. Okay. Runtime. Again we can call as a overloading. And this called overriding, overloading and overriding. Okay, same static, compile time and overloading, and dynamic runtime overriding. Means dynamic means dynamically it will change. Dynamic means when you running time, that's runtime. And overriding means same thing, same names, different names we can call, just like static, dynamic, or compile time, or runtime, or overloading and overriding. Different names you can call. Here static. Okay. Here I mentioned static polymorphism is also called as a compile time polymorphism. Okay. Or overloading. Okay. Here just like see. Overloading methods we already discussed. Just like what is the meaning of overloading? I told you in this one. Constructor overloading. What is the meaning of overloading is I have same one I have one class, just like public class mathematical. Okay, mathematical or any class. Overloading nothing but same method, public int again add int a comma int b, and it is returning a plus b is closing. Okay, next public void add int c int c and int d a plus b. This is one way, just assume it like this classification, but it will throw compile time error. Why? Because first assume I given here integer and integer. Actually, overloading concept, it is not related to return type. It is not at all just return type. Here I given different, here different. Normally, what is overloading concept? Same method name int string add string int add okay, next like this, one more add only one int add int like this. These are all acceptable methods. One acceptable method only without any parameters. One is only single parameter, and integer string integer string integer string is string and int. Here not all match. Here matching part only add method name. This are overloading. Multiple methods we can create by using single name, but different types of parameters, different number of parameters, different sequence of parameters. Number of parameters means this one, 1, 2, 1, 2 like this. Different types of parameters means integers, and sequence of parameters means I given here int, here int string first, again string like this. Different to ulta. This are not acceptable. Now I given like this code now. It is acceptable or not? I have one class math. I have public int add int b and public void add int b and int d, int c and int d and a. Sorry, c plus d. It is acceptable or it will throw error? Why? I said it is not matter of return type already. Leave it return type. If I given ulta also, suppose I given now integer. Okay. Now where problem does it will execute or it will compile time error? Why? No, return type I given the same thing. It's return type, leave it. If you give same return type also, okay, different return types also. It will not matter of return type. Overloading. It will execute or it will throw error? Execute. How it will execute? I given what the it is where it is difference is there. I said here int. I given different parameters. I given any different parameters there. How many number of parameters? Method name? Method same. Okay. How many parameters? 2. Here? 2. Means we are avoided one formula. One more formula was sequence of parameters. Sequence, same sequence, int. We are also, second rule also, we are avoided. Third rule, what is the third rule? Number of parameters we avoided already. Means it is failed, number of parameters. And sequence of parameters also failed. What is the third one? Types of parameters. Types of parameters also failed. But don't think about this one. Okay, see how I given A, B, C, D. This is not matter of names. Okay, just this it will not compile. This it will compile time error it will fail. Why? Because Say suppose I add, I have same numbers, same number of parameters, same types of parameters, and sequence type also same. Suppose if instead of int I given string, it will work. String or float or decimal or anything, it will work. But this is very important. If you go to any interview, they will write and they will give it will they will ask, it will compare, and they will show different points. See, I given here int, I given here void. It is three different methods. No, they will ask, but don't confuse. It's not matter of return type. Leave it. First of all, say it's not. If he asks, if you definitely will point at here return type, here void. He will definitely will point. Just look this return type. Just say it is not pointer of return type. Next, go to these two method names. Method names are different. So suppose here add one is means no problem. It will definitely work. Why? Because it is different name methods. It will compile. What is overloading concept at all? Same method, name and parameters. Now next we need to go. If here it is different means don't think it is work definitely. Now I remove it. Now go to next level parameters. See parameters, first parameter, second parameter, third, fourth. Like parameter types only see. Don't see parameter names. Okay? You can leave it parameter names. Parameter names you can give any name. That's just like identification purpose we give names. That's it. Work for us matter of string. Why matter of string is if I want to call any method, how I can call? Add 1 comma 2 I will pass. Here anywhere I am mentioning any names. No, just I am giving 1, 2. One more way, a equal to z equal to 10, x equal to 20. Add x comma z. Here also just for declaration purpose I created variables names, but I am not at all using this names is not matter. Just storage purpose is storing, but calling purpose I am not using any name. Okay, you understand? Names is not matter. Just sequence, method name, sequence of parameters, means number of parameters, type of parameters. This matter of overloading. Just overloading also. Where we need to use overloading? We created means we understood overloading. Where you need to use overloading? Why at our first overloading concept? Why means what the main use of overloading is? Assume it for addition only we are doing addition program of some guys required addition of 2 numbers. Some guys require addition of 3 numbers. Some guys return 4. This type of scenarios, same requirement, but matter of parameters. That time we can go to overloading. Not only this addition, sometimes requirement for just like inserting the data into DB or retrieving the data from DB. Sometimes if you go to some result websites and all, sometimes it will ask your ID. Otherwise, or they will give date of birth and something email ID. Or it will give email ID. If you give anything, it will give your result. What is the meaning of that one is? Just like they created separate method. Result is a main method. Under the main method, one is the hall ticket ID and date of birth or date of birth email, result email, result full name. These are different names. If you open website or if you call, automatically it will point anything based on what you given in. This type of situations we can use overloading. Means we can use separate names. Result underscore ID, result underscore date of birth, result underscore employee, result, like this different names you can use. But problem where it was that we need to create a number of methods with different names. This confusion of developers. That's why it's same method name. One more thing, you observe so many times. Here console dot. When I press, automatically it's giving just like right line. Right line is the one method. When I open, see here we can see 1 to 19 overloaded methods. How that 19 just to mark second overloaded method. First overloaded methods void console dot write line, no parameters. Next boolean value it is accepting. Here observe it, character value it is taking. Next character array it is taking. Next decimal, double, float, int, long, object, string, uint, ulang, string, float, 2 parameters, 3 parameters, 4 parameters, like this, different arguments. How, where it is written, all we can go for this is the console. Under the console, see here, okay, these are the right line, these are the overloaded methods. So suppose I have how many? 19. If I given 19 different names, this is not good. Means problem where it later, what is the use of, suppose write underscore, string write underscore, int write underscore, something it is not at all good. That's purpose they introduce one more concept as just like overloading. Okay. I will take one example for overloading. Okay. See here, I created one more class extra here. That's one more class outside. Some all time I'm explaining inside classes, in class classes. That's why today is just like this example. I took one more example for outside. Just like we can add extra classes like this also. We can add any number of extra classes like this. We can add our new item. We can go for it will open pop-up here class. You can give any name whatever you want. You can create extra classes separately. Now I'm replacing just see. See here, get some 2, okay, int a, int b, and like this 3 parameters, 4 parameters. What I told sometime, just like observe it. Same thing I said here. I am returning something string. Okay, now I return dot to string. Now when I will compile, okay, get method having same number of parameters for this method. Okay, sometimes you can ask why we have different return type, why it is not accepting. What is the meaning of the return type is different? How to call this method now? I have 2 methods with same. Say suppose assume it in this is class, in same class only. I have 2 just like 2 names are similar, just like A Adi Adi. How I can point to Adi Adi? I need some little bit difference. Names also leave it okay. At least I need some different roll number. If roll number also same is what I need to call. But structure of body, sometimes one fat one that leave is okay, leave it, that's it. but how to I need to call? Based on name or based on number or something I need to call. Color. That I need to find. For this one, same thing here. Get some. Is the methods are same. Parameters also same. How I can call method? If I call also, how which one it will trigger? That's the problem. That's why same method name, same number of parameters, same sequence of parameters, same types of parameters is not possible in C#. Yeah, this error. Don't think about return type. Okay, this I am commenting. It will throw error. Okay. One more thing. What I told. C D. AB as my first parameter. Second one as CD as my parameter. Now C and D. Return. Okay. Now I try to already defined with get sum and same parameter type. That's why it is also error. Okay. That's why I said no, return type is not matter and same method different parameter names also is not matter. It will throw error. Okay. Now I am going to run. See here in main program what I did. Sorry. Based on what I pass the parameters, automatically it will trigger. I created the object for sum. Afterwards, object dot get sum of two numbers and possible. Two numbers means it will go to wherever two numbers having parameters. That method it will go. Again, 3 meters, 4, 5. Based on parameters, it will trigger that method and it will give you your output. Let's see. Okay, two numbers are 30. 10 plus 20, 10 plus 20 plus 30, 10 plus 20 plus 30 plus 40, like this, based on your addition to this type of scenario you can go to use overloading. Okay. Now any doubt on overloading? Next, here one more example is there, just take it. Okay, now dynamic polymorphism or overriding or what one more runtime. Okay, compile means when you compile time only it is checking error, that's what it is called compile time. And dynamic nothing but dynamically we are running the program. Dynamic polymer means overriding is overriding. That's the difference we use. Now overriding. Okay, or dynamic, or what's that? One more time. Okay, runtime. Okay. What is the overriding means? Actually, as of now, we saw on into one particular class, but now we are going to use in different classes. But how the scenario means? Just like I want to add int A. Int B. Same method name I want, same number of parameters I want, same sequence of parameters I want. Same thing, add everything same. Int A, int B. Don't confuse this, leave it. If you different names also leave it. Now all things are same. Like this if you want to develop this, like the scenarios, but these two in one class is not possible. Okay, at least something little bit change you need to use. That's overloading. Overriding is same method name, different types of parameters is same, and sequence of parameters are same, types of parameters are same. Now, how we can do this one is, I have one class public class A, one method addition of int A in B. I have. Okay, I close. Same method I want one more class, just like public class B and class A. Okay, here add int A int B. This is a overwriting concept, and here two keywords become extra. Here we need to use virtual. Okay, virtual keyword, and here we need to use override. What is the meaning of override? Virtual nothing but it is giving opportunity to just override your method. Okay, override, what is the meaning of keyword means? We are overriding from parent class to child class. In child class we are overriding the child class parent class. That's the override. Why you need to use overriding concept with the same meaning like this means? Some scenarios is required. Here logic will change. Say suppose here what's addition of two numbers A plus B. Some scenarios I need to do addition of two numbers just like A plus B plus something to 10 extra amount. Nothing but just like circle of round means area of circle is different, formula means area of square is different. And input was something same sometimes. Okay, that type of scenarios we can use different. Say suppose if you go to take one employee, permanent employee and contract employee. Okay, here he also getting salary, but salary structure was different. He getting something permanent employee 2 lakhs per month, he getting 1 lakh per month standard. That salary was, he also salary field having, he also having salary field, but structure of salary amount of salary will be little bit vary based on type. That and all we can do by using overriding concept. Means what they getting is same, means quantity is different. That type of we can do override. Okay, we can see here. Okay. Here first, this is the main program. Okay, here I have class C. It is my first. Afterwards I created radius, get area. It is returning 0. Same thing I am inheriting class circle. He is inheriting from class C. This is my class C. Here I given virtual keyword. Okay. Here one more is class circle. I am inheriting from class C. Here I given again get area, but here I given override. Come to one more nest. Again one more. Sorry. What is that? Okay, this one more class circle and say. Okay, based on that one, again here also I given override. What is the meaning of that one is? Here one class is there first, just like employee class. In employee class I have get salary, one method is there. This is my default structure. It is written 0 normally. After what I did, permanent employee, it is inherited from this one. Here also I have get salary, but here I am returning 100 rupees. Contract employee, here also get sal, is returning 20 rupees. But both are inheriting from this one. But here I given virtual, here I given override, here I given override. Okay, means these are overriding from this class based on our scenario. If I created an object this one, if I call method, it will trigger this one. If I create an object for this one, this one, automatically it will trigger this one overriding concept. It will trigger this one. If you create object for this, based on our scenario, I will change that which one we are going to add. Next, wait, I will show you an example for overriding. Here one more example also is there, just check it. Okay, overriding. Okay, see here, first same example, first class, okay, second class and third class. Okay, in fourth class, see here I am creating object for this one. Okay, if we create an object, get area means which method it will trigger, this method will trigger. Okay, save method. Here I am passing the radius, it is returning the radius area. Okay, next, if I create an object for, see, same object I am pointing with circle. If I call this method, automatically that my method will trigger this one. Okay, if I created one more object, say here, if you call this method get area, automatically it will go to here. Just put breakpoint one by one. See here I given virtual here, override, override. Okay, first it came to get area, first save. Afterwards, when I created circle, same to circle class. Next, okay, see, observe here, sometimes if you missing, I removed virtual. Okay, stumble error. Okay, next I am keeping that virtual and I am doing override. Now see, it will not error, just see based on, first it will go to save. Next, for circle I created object, but this again is going to save. Why? Because first of all it will give preference for parent class. if you not doing override keyword, okay, automatically it will go to that first parent class method. Afterwards only it is changed. Let's see here, it's not at all doing our child class. So why? Because we have removed override keyword. Output was 10, 10, 20, 30. Normally you need to print 10, 20, 30 if you give override. Okay, I'm keeping here override. Okay. Next, just 10 minutes break, man. Okay.